Hi guys, I'm Rebecca and I vlog at Hello Central Avenue where I share simple ways to create a classic interior style. And today I'm going to tell you all how to create these easy cement ice cream cone candle holders behind me. That might be difficult to say, but they're easy to make. Now everybody knows that Quikrete cement is perfect for small patches and fixing cracks in cement. But not everybody realizes that you can make so many different fun and creative projects out of cement. So before you set your tablescape with these adorable cement ice cream cone candle holders, you're going to need to grab a few things. The first thing you need is some Quikrete fast drying cement. I grabbed a 10-pound pail because that worked best for my small project. The next thing you need is a bowl to mix the cement in, something to stir it with, some water, and finally, the mold of the object that you pre-made.
You'll need to mix the concrete according to the package directions. Pour it directly into your mold and then tap out any air bubbles. At that point, you can put your 1/2-inch PVC end cap into the center of your cement. After about 48 hours of drying time, gently pop the cement out of the mold. And if you choose to spray paint your candle holders like I did, you can choose whatever color you'd like.
These Quikrete cement ice cream cone candle holders are a great way to add a little fun to your classic tablescape any time of the year. And it's the perfect project to try if it's your first time using Quikrete cement. Watch out, world, because cement's not just for the boys anymore.